So welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to be looking at a very important trick in freestyle football. So also the most weighted trick which you guys been waiting for since a long time. So it's the around the world. So we're going to break this down into 3 easy steps and let's see how. So let's get straight into it, guys. So step number 1, we have the touch, and then step number 2 is the pickup, and then step number 3 is combining both. So in step number 1, we're going to be seeing how we start the trick. So the touch of the ball is very crucial in this trick, so don't forget to skip this step. You're supposed to use this part of your foot so that you can get the touch easily to the ball. So there are actually 2 types of variations in this trick, the inside variation and the outside variation. Today in this video we're going to be seeing the inside one. So if you want me to do an outside variation, let me know in the comments below. Moving on to step number 2. In step number 1, we have learned how to touch the ball. So in the step number 2, we're going to be learning how to pick up the ball. So let the ball drop on the ground and pick it up with your strong foot with an inside variation. So keep on doing this repeatedly so that you can get the motion and feel of the ball, so that you can easily do it while doing around the world. You see step number 3 where we combine both the tricks. So in step 1 and step 2 we combine both the tricks so that we can do the around the world. So use the part of the foot where I told you to touch the ball and then bring your ball around the ball and then try to pick it up with the same foot. You have a lot of problems while doing this, like your thighs hitting the ball or your heel hitting the ball to the ground. Bring the ball and your foot high enough so that you can have good time to pick the ball. So keep on doing this until you get a consistent touch to the ball. So I'll be suggesting some drills so that you can do it easily. So this drill is actually for 1 week, so you can learn this trick within 1 week. So the first step and the second step are to be done for morning and evening 20 times so that you can get more used to the touch and the feel of the ball. Then after a few days, just move on to doing the around the world, which is the step number 3, without the step number 1 and 2. Doing so actually lets you to find out your mistakes and also let you rectify them and correct them. If you have any mistakes finding your problems, let me know down in the comments below so that I can help you out, guys, with that. So with this said, within 1 week you can actually do the trick so easily. So in the next video we're going to be learning how to do continuous around the worlds as well as an outside variation of that. So until the next video, is Prashanth Balaji signing off.